dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about locus chapter. We are already discussed in the previous sessions right angled concept and the problems based on area of triangle. Now in this session, the sum of the distances and difference of the distances problems. Total 4 questions in this video I am going to explain in the exercise problems. It will help you 100% in the public examination. So it is very important video. This is the third video in the locus. I already uploaded previously in the last year, but still it will help for you. If you like this video, please share to your friends and relatives. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. In my free time, I will help you. We will move to the question. The question is, find the equation of locus of point, the differences of whose distances from minus 5 comma 0 and 5 comma 0 is 8. So first, we know that in the locus procedure, locus problems, the first 3 steps will be common. In the locus problem, first step is let P of x comma y be any point on the locus. This is the first step, dear students. The next step is given points. What are the given points? Here they did not mention the name. You can give the name. Given points. A equal to minus 5 comma 0 and B equal to 5 comma 0. The condition is given. Observe that the difference of whose distances. Here some point P is there. Here some point A is there. Here also some point B is there. The distances, the difference of distances. Distance between P and A is PA. Distance between P and B is PB. The difference of whose distances? That means PA minus PB or PB minus PA. We can write any one of them. That is the reason most of the people they will write as mod PA minus PB. If you do not write mod PA minus PB, you can write PA minus PB also simply, it is enough. So some questions in the textbook or in the materials, it is given directly mod PA minus PB, or here in the theoretical it is given as whose distances, the difference of whose distances is given. No? So PA minus PB, given condition, this is the third step. Given condition. PA minus PB, which is equal to, how much it is given? 8. The difference of whose distances from these 2 points is 8. That means PA minus PB or PB minus PA is equal to 8. Not only PA minus PB, you can write PB minus PA also. After writing of this step, dear students, important, these 3 steps completed now. So minus PB we can take into RHS. So PA is equal to 8 plus PB. After that, squaring on both sides. So PA whole square is what? PA square is equal to 8 plus PB whole square. So that implies PA square. I already discussed in the last video. PA square means distance between these 2 points. Whenever square is there, without root, you can write the distance between 2 points formula. So P and A. P point is x comma y. A point is 5 comma 0. So x minus of minus 5, x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to A plus B whole square formula. 8 square PB whole square plus 2AB, 2 into 8 into PB, 2 into 8, 16 into PB. So that implies that x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is y square is equal to 64 plus PB square, distance between P point and B point, x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus 16 PB. Don't disturb the term 16 PB. Keep it like this only. Don't write PB distance. So on both sides, you have to expand x plus 5 whole square. X square plus 5 square, 25 plus 2ab, 2 into x into 5, 10x plus y square is equal to 64 plus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 5 square, 25 minus 2ab, 2 into x into 5, so minus 10x plus y square plus 16pb. On both sides, x square, 25, 25 and y square, you have to cancel it. Minus 10x we can take this side, here already 10x is there. So 10x plus 10x. 64 also we can take this side, minus 64, which is equal to 16pb. So 10x plus 10x, 20x minus 64, which is equal to 16pb, which are multiples of 4 only. No? So take common 4, 5x minus 16, which is equal to 4 times of 4pb. 16pb can be written as like this. 4 get cancelled. After that, squaring on both sides. So 5x minus 16 whole square, 4pb whole square. 4 square means 16 pb square. pb square already we wrote down. This information you have to write again here. So a minus b whole square expansion. See, after this step here, 5x minus 16 whole square equal to 16 pb square. 5x minus 6, 5x whole square, 25x square plus 16 whole square, 256 minus 2 into 5x into 16, so 160x. 2 into 5x, 10x into 16, 160 equal to 16 into pb square. pb square I already wrote. X comma y is the locus point and 5 comma 0. This is b. So x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. I already wrote in the previous question, in the previous steps. 25x square plus 256 minus 160x. 16 into a minus b whole square expansion. X square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square. Each and every term of this bracket value multiplied by 16. 25x square here plus 256 minus 160x equal to 16x square plus 400 minus 160x plus 16y square. Both sides minus 160x minus 160x get cancelled. So after that, what I am doing is x square and y square terms I am taking into this side. So that implies that 25x square, 16x square you can take this side, minus 16x square. Next y square also you can take minus 16y square is equal to, here already 400 is there, and 256 we are taking into this side, minus 256. So 25x square minus 16x square is 9x square minus 16y square is equal to 400 minus 256 is 144. This is the required equation of locus, or we can write like this also. Divide throughout equation by 144. 9x square by 144 minus 16y square by 144 is equal to 144 by 144, 1. So 9 16s, so 16 9s. X square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1, which is the required locus. Which is the required locus. Of point P. I hope everyone understand, dear students. We will move to the next question. Similarly, these points will be changed. We will discuss another question now. The next question. Find the equation of locus of point P if a equal to 4 comma 0, b equal to minus 4 comma 0 and condition it is given directly. Previously like a statement it is given, but here directly geometrical condition is given. So mod PA minus PB equal to 4. I already explained in the previous question. We can take either PA minus PB equal to 4 or PB minus PA equal to 4. Whenever they given modulus, if you remove this modulus, you can write here plus or minus 4. Nothing is there, remaining everything is same. So first step is as usual. Let P of x comma y be any point on the locus. Be any point on the locus. Next step is given points. So A point is given as 4 comma 0 and B point is given as minus 4 comma 0. That's all. Next, what is the geometrical condition? Given condition or given geometrical condition. Simply write it given condition. Mod PA minus PB is equal to 4. From here it is will be. If we remove this modulus, plus or minus 4 will come. So PA minus PB is equal to plus or minus 4. Minus PB we can take into RHS. So PA equal to plus or minus 4 plus PB. After that squaring on both sides. So it will become PA whole square. Here plus or minus 4 plus PB whole square. Here plus B whole square expansion only. PA square. PA square only write it. After that we'll write at a time. Plus or minus 4 whole square 16. Plus PB whole square PB square. Plus 2AB. Plus or minus 4 into 2 into PB. So plus or minus 8 PB. You remember here dear students, this is very important. Next PA square, distance between these two. PB square means distance between these two. So at a time we are going to finish PA square and PB square values. So x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 16 plus PB square x minus of minus 4 x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus or minus 8 PB. We cannot disturb the term. We can write like this only. Now both sides y minus 0 whole square, y minus 0 whole square, you can cancel it. X minus 4 whole square. X square plus 16 minus 8x is equal to 16 plus x plus 4 whole square. X square plus 16 plus 8x plus or minus 8 PB. Now x square plus 16, x square plus 16 cancel. This 8x we can take this side and 16 also we can take this side. So already minus 8x is there. That plus 8x also we can take this side. Minus 8x, 16 also we can take this minus 16 is equal to plus or minus 8 PB. So minus 16x minus 16 is equal to plus or minus 8 PB. Here 8 is there, here also 8 only you can take common. So minus 8 I am taking common. Minus 8 if you take out common, 2x plus 2 which is equal to plus or minus 8 into PB. Both sides minus 8 I am going to get cancelled. So the rest of the terms 2x plus 2 is equal to PB only. After that squaring on both sides, we will move to the next step. Px plus 2 equal to PB, squaring on both sides. A plus B whole square expansion here. 4x square plus 4 plus 2 into 2x into 2. So 8x is equal to PB square. So 4x square plus 4 plus 8x. PB square means P point is x comma y, B point is x minus 4 comma 0. So x minus of minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So 4x square plus 8x plus 4 is equal to x square plus 16 plus 8x plus y square. Now on both sides 8x cancel. and the rest of the terms x square and y square, 16 you can keep it here only, x square y square you can take it. 4x square, x square I am taking this side, minus x square, y square also we can take this side, minus y square is equal to 4 I am taking into this side, 16 already there this side, minus 4. So 4x square minus x square is 3x square minus y square is equal to 12. So this is the required equation of locus, but we need to keep in another form also according to textbook. So dividing on both sides by 12, 3x square by 12 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1. So 3 ones are 3 fours are. X square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1, which is the required equation of locus. Which is the required equation of locus of point P. That's all, students. We'll move to the next question. The sum of the distances. Two questions were discussed in the basis of difference of distances. Now, sum of the distances questions, we will do that. In this question, the sum of the distances here. Last two questions, difference of the distances. The first 3 points will be, 3 steps will be common, dear students. The first point is, let P of x comma y, let P of x comma y be any point on the locus. This is the first step, dear students. Second step is, given points, one is A, that is 2 comma 3, and another one is B, 2 comma minus 3. And here condition is also given. Given condition or given geometrical condition. Given condition. PA plus PB is equal to 8. See, after writing of this given condition, PB we can take into this side or PA we can take into this side. So from here, PA is equal to 8 minus PB. After taking into that side, squaring on both sides. So PA whole square, PA square, A minus B whole square expansion. Directly I am writing, the students. Generally 8 minus PB whole square, after that you can write it, but I am writing directly 8 square. 64 plus PB square minus 2AB, minus 2 into 8 into PB minus 16 PB. PA square, distance between P and A. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. PA square completed, equal to 64 PB square, x minus 2 whole square, y minus of minus 3, y plus 3 whole square, minus 16 PB. So on both sides, x minus 2 whole square is, you can cancel it, x minus 2 whole square term. After that, expand y minus 3 whole square and y plus 3 whole square. Y minus 3 whole square, y square plus 9 minus 6y is equal to 64 plus a plus b whole square. Y square plus 9 plus 6y minus 16 PB. Both sides y square and 9 you have to cancel it. 6y we can take this side. I already here minus 6y is there. Minus 6y and 64 also we can take the minus 64, which is equal to minus 16 PB. So minus 6y minus 12y minus 64, which is equal to minus 16 PB. So 16, 64 and 12, which are the common multiple? Minus 4 only. So there is no other possibility. So minus 4 take out common from left side as well as right side. So 3y plus 16, which is equal to minus 4 into 4 PB. Minus 4 on both sides we can cancel. After that, squaring on both sides, a plus b whole square formula. 3y plus 16, 3y whole square, 9y square, plus 16 square, 256, plus 2 into a into b. So 2 into 3y, 6y into 16, 96y, which is equal to 4 square, 16 pb square. So now again pb square value you write it, and each and every term multiplying by 16 itself. So 9y square plus 256 plus 96y is equal to 16 into key bracket, pb square means this value, x minus 2 whole square. Even if you want to write this one, you can write it, plus y plus 3 whole square. So I will continue here. 9y square plus 256 plus 96y is equal to 16 into key bracket, x minus 2 whole square expansion, x square plus 4 minus 4x, y plus 3 whole square, y square plus 9 plus 6y. So 9y square plus 256 plus 96y is equal to 16x square plus 64 minus 64x plus 16y square, 16 9 is 144 plus 144 plus 96y. Both sides 96y you should be cancel it, and sorry dear students, 9y square plus 256 is equal to 16y square x square plus 16y square minus 64x, 144 plus 64, how much? So 208, so plus 208. This we are taking into this side, 9y square we can take into this side. So 256 is equal to 16x square plus 16y square, 9y square we can take this side, minus 9y square minus 64x, 208 I am taking into this side. Otherwise, this 256 also can take this side. Better to write here. Now in the next step, 16x square, 16y square minus 9y square, 7y square minus 64x plus 208 minus 256 equal to 0. 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x. How much here minus we are going to get? 256 minus 208, so 48. So that 2 minus 48. So therefore the required locus of P is 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x minus 48 equal to 0. We'll move to the next question, but the condition they won't give, we will get the condition. The same condition only, PA plus PB, but the distance may be different, dear students. We'll move to the next question. The next question and last question in this video, dear students. Find the equation of locus of point, the sum of whose distances from 0, 2 and 0, minus 2 is 6. That means indirectly it is given PA plus PB equal to 6. So previous question is PA plus PB equal to 8. The points also different. So first point is what? According to the locus concept, let P of x, y be any point in the locus. First point. Second point is what? Given points. We can assume that one is A, another one is B. They did not mention, we need to take that. A equal to 0, 2. B equal to 0, minus 2. Given condition, geometrical condition. Given condition. PA plus PB is equal to 6. Sum of the distances is equal to 6. So PA equal to, from this we know that how to do. PB we can take this side or PA we can take this side. Make as a subject any one of them. 6 minus PB squaring on both sides. PA whole square is equal to 6 minus PB whole square. So PA square, A minus B whole square, 36 plus PB square minus 2 into 6 into PB. So 12 PB. Now PA square and PB square values you have to write it. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 36 plus PB square. X minus 0 whole square, y minus of minus 2, y plus 2 whole square minus 12 PB. Now here x minus 0 whole square sorry, x minus 0 whole square get cancelled. Y minus 2 whole square expansion, y square plus 4 plus minus 4y is equal to 36 plus y plus 2 whole square. Y square plus 4 plus 4y minus 12 PB. Both sides, y square plus 4, y square plus 4 get cancelled. This 4y and 36 we can take this side. Minus 4y is already there. Plus 4y and 36 also we are taking this side. Minus 4y minus 36 is equal to minus 12 PB. So minus 8y minus 36 minus 12 PB. So in this minus 4 is the common multiple. Minus 4 take common. 2y plus 9 is equal to minus 4 into 3 PB. So minus 4 get cancelled. 2y plus 9 equal to minus 3 PB. Only plus 3 PB. So the rest of the terms 2y plus 9 is equal to 3 PB. Squaring on both sides. So that's what I am doing here. 2y plus 9 whole square is equal to 3 PB whole square. 2y plus 9 whole square, 4y square plus 81 plus 2 into 2y into 9. So 36 y is equal to 9 PB square. So 4y square plus 81 plus 36y is equal to 9 into PB square. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus of minus 2, y plus 2 whole square. So 4y square plus 81 plus 36y is equal to 9 into x square, x minus 0 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square, y square plus 4 plus 4y. 4y square plus 81 plus 36y. Each and every term of this bracket value multiplying by 9. 9x square plus 9y square plus 36 plus 36y. Both sides 36y we have to cancel it. First 9x square plus 9y square plus 36. So these values I am taking this side. Minus 4y square minus 81 equal to 0. 9x square, 9y square minus 5y square plus 5y square is equal to minus 81 plus 36 is minus 45. Minus 45 plus 45. So dividing by 45, 9x square plus 5y square is equal to, divided by 45. 45 by 45. So 9 ones are 9 5s are. X square by 5 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1, which is the required locus. I hope everyone understand, dear students. Thank you all. Follow on Maths with Panindra. Subscribe and share to your friends. Please do subscribe. Support, subscribe and share to your friends. Friends and relatives. Thank you all. Signing off, Maths with Panindra. Jai Hind.